Hey!
Hey!
What's up, guys?
How are you?
What's up, guys?
Happy Memorial Day weekend Monday!
If you've seen our last video, then you already know that we've been keeping our life super adventurous during quarantine, doing lots of fun little things.
And today we're thinking of taking you along for the ride.
And it's gonna be a fun ride.
And it's gonna be action-packed, and there'll be ice cream involved.
And lots of coffee.
So, I am looking forward to it.
Same.
And I'm sure you are too now.
Now that you know, about
there's
our
coffee and ice cream.
Yeah. Let's go get some coffee.
Come on. Coffee secure. This is the honeybee latte iced from Pretty Bird and Yardley, PA. And it is
the best coffee you'll ever taste.
Insanely good. Cheers,
Cheers.
honey.
Yeah.
Ah! Just makes your day that much better.
Yay! Now we're going for a drive?
Let's do it. Let's roll. Vroom.
Bye.
So now that we're all hyped up on our coffee, it's time to put a little something else in our bellies of the food sort. You want to tell them, these lovely people, what we're going to be making today?
Today we're doing Mexican-inspired collard wraps, so we're gonna throw in some corn and black beans and a bunch of veggies that we haven't determined yet, and avocado.
Let's check it out. Now that we're all properly caffeinated and we've got full bellies full of great raw foods, it's time to unbox our new drone. We got the Mavic Mini. We picked up this bad boy because we're inching ever closer to being fully location independent, and we want to be ready for doing as much travel as we can. And lugging the drone that we currently have, the Mavic 2 Zoom around, is kind of a beast. And honestly, it's so expensive that I'm always way too afraid to put it up in the sky. I always look around like, is this shot worth potentially crashing this drone and never giving myself? And typically the answer is no. But with the Mini, it's much cheaper, much smaller, it's not as big of a deal. So we'll be out flying this willy-nilly everywhere we want. Wow.
Oh, that's a nice case.
Yeah, check it out. We got the Fly More pack. So it comes with a case and a bunch of other like extra batteries and different accessories to help you fly and charge charge it up wherever you are. You can already tell, kind of much smaller. Takes up less space than the typical size drone. You do lose a little bit of firepower in terms of the camera, but it still shoots in above fully HD. So less than 4K, the Mavic 2 shoots in 4K, but it's still fully scalable down to full HD with the Mini. So highly, seems like it'd be worth it. Look how little that thing is.
It's so cute.
Oh my gosh. That's a direct comparison. Oh my gosh, it's so light.
I want to hold it too.
It is 249 grams. Oh my gosh.
It feels like a toy.
Oh my god, it feels like you're gonna break it. It feels like it's made of glass.
Well, the battery's not in it yet, right? I don't think the battery might be in it.
Okay.
This thing is light. This is like, it feels like I'm holding a banana.
Yeah.
What?
I don't even know, like, comparatively how heavy this is, but this is like if this was on a scale, it would like, and this would go literally catapulting over the other side of the room, and so much heavier than this is. Fully stretched out. This versus this.
Oh my god.
Carrying this up a mountain is tough. I think about 3 times as tough as this while you were catching.
No.
And here's a battery for this. Versus a battery for the full drone.
I'm so pumped.
This is awesome. This is, look, it even tells you it's ultra light. Lets you know just exactly how much it weighs. And it's amazing. Just backload the battery and you're off and running. So if you're looking for a cheaper way to get some awesome drone footage and carry it around wherever you go, something portable and light.
This is gonna be it. This is the answer. This is really the way to go.
I don't think that there's a better way unless you're actually trying to get professional level drone footage for like commercial use. I think that this is probably the answer to all your problems.
I think so too. It's just the security factor. Like you said, like having it in a backpack, walking through somewhere, or taking it into an airport, or even just like leaving it in the car because we're going on a walk. I feel so much better about having this around instead of a $2,500 piece of equipment, which is just terrifying for 2 regular people like us.
Yep, the bonus pack comes in at a little over $500. So although it's an expensive item, drones can typically run that much more, like you had just mentioned, up to the $2,500 range. So far more affordable, and just provides an ease of mind that is really amazing. I'm already happy. I'm already like, I feel relieved. I really, like, you see how small it is. It's so small. It's so cute. It's amazing. Can't wait to give it a shot.
Let's go fly it.
Target acquired. Check them out. I got the peanut butter treasure sundae. It's got peanut butter everywhere. Peanut butter Reese's, like, I like it when they crush the actual Reese's. And that's what I got in there, and peanut butter sauce. I cannot wait.
And peanut butter grosses me out, so I got strawberry.
And watch as these quickly disappear. You'll notice that this is not actually a time lapse. This is gonna happen in real time. After a long day of sweet treats and aerospace travel, there's nothing better than
getting into pajamas.
That's gonna wrap it up for today's video.
We hope you guys had an awesome Memorial Day as well.
And please let us know what you did to make it an adventure as well.
Have fun.
Always. And now. It's been real.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.